Hello dear kids. Today we are going to listen the story about Dev and Kavi. They are cute little kids just like you all, and they also learn new things every day just like you all. Let's find out what did they learn today. Dev learns taking turns. One day, Dev and Kavi were playing. Dev said, "Let's play football today." Kavi said, "Such a great idea." Quickly, Kavi went in front of the net. And now Dev said, "Let me kick the ball." One time, two time. Kavi is really a nice goalkeeper. She stopped the ball each time. Now she said, "Dev, it's my turn now. Please let me kick the ball." Dev said, "No, it is my ball. I will only kick the ball. I want to kick the ball more and more." So Kavi said, "Alright, let's do it again." Then Dev kicked the ball one more time. Again. Then again Kavi stopped the ball. This time Kavi said again, "Dev, it's my time. Please give me turn. It's my chance now. Let me also kick the ball." Dev said, "No, no, no. It is only my turn. Only I will kick the ball. It's my ball." Now Kavi felt, why Dev is not giving me chance? It's my chance now, but he's not playing in turns. This is really not nice. I'm feeling a bit sad. Meow. But then she said, "It's okay. Let's play one more time, Dev." Dev kicked the ball again. One more time. Now Kavi said, "It's my turn, Dev. Let me kick the ball now. Please give the chance to me." Now Dev said again, "No, no, no. It's only my turn. Only I will kick the ball. Let me kick the ball." Now Kavi felt, this is not fair, Dev. It's my turn now and you're not giving me chance. This is not nice. I'm going now. She went away. Dev said, "Huh? Why did Kavi go? Why she's not playing with me anymore? What happened? Woof, woof." He became really sad and surprised. Then Kavi went to Unididi. Unididi came. Yay! Such colorful, bright, smiling Unididi. Unididi said, "What happened, Kavi? Why are you sad? What happened to you?" Kavi said, "Unididi, Dev is not giving me chance. He's not letting me kick the ball. I have given him 3 chances, but he has not given me 1 chance. So I'm not playing with him anymore." Wow! But Kavi, have you tried to identify the problem? Why Dev is not letting you play? Why Dev is not giving you chance? Did you think about it? Maybe he doesn't know that we should play in turns whenever we play with our friends. That's why. Brilliant, Kavi. You have identified the problem. Yes, maybe he doesn't know that. And you know what? When we identify a problem, we should always look for solution. Brilliant, Kavi. You have identified the problem and now let's look for the solution. Great. And you know what? What is the solution in this situation? Let's go and talk to him. Let him understand, right? Now Kavi also got the solution. She also got happy. Thank you so much, Unididi, for your help. I now understand the problem and now I even understand the solution. Let us go and talk to Dave. Here, Dave was standing. He was a bit sad. Why Kavi is not playing with me anymore? What happened to her? I really miss her. She is my best friend. Why she's not playing with me anymore? Meanwhile, Unity and Kavi came. They were all smiling and happy. Unity asked Dave, "What happened, Dave? Why are you sad?" "Unity, Kavi is not playing with me anymore, and I don't understand why. I really miss her." "Dave, have you tried to identify the problem? Why Kavi is not playing with you?" "You know what? You didn't give her chance. We play in turns always, but you didn't give her chance. That's why Kavi felt bad, and that's why she went away. If you guys play in turns, no one will feel sad. So now, Dave, did you understand what is your problem? Why Kavi is not playing with you?" "Yes, Unity. Now I also understand. And they also got the solution." Yes. Now Kavi and Dave became friends again. Now Dave said to Kavi, "I'm so sorry, Kavi. I will not do this bad thing again. I now understand that we should always play in turns. One time my turn, one time your turn. Alright, let's be friends again." Then all of them became so happy and they played very nicely. So kids, the end. Now, just understand. Suppose you were playing in a park on a swing. What will you do? You will say, "No, it's only my turn. Only I will swing on the swing." Or you will say, "No, let's swing in turns. One time my turn, one time my friend's turn." What will you do, kids? Tell me. Great! Yes, we will always play in turns. One time your turn and one time your friend's turn. Great, kids, good job. So for more fun, keep watching A Vignam Stories. Bye.